Hello everyone. Thank you for watching my channel, and this is my first video gonna be posting in my channel. I'm just going to explain why I'm going to have this channel. It's gonna be focused on learning program, but it's just for me. It's not like legit a channel that very have a profound knowledge that will teach you a lot of the how to program. It just kind of like a log or vlog for me to learn how to code. I never took any computer science courses back in college. I'm in accounting degree. I have a accounting degree, and English is not my first language. So very back then, few years ago, I don't know, like 4 or 3 years ago, I wanted to start a channel, but there was a lot of challenges. The first thing is the language, of course. Since I came to the United States 2009, and I've been living here for several years already, but I still find it is very challenging whenever I need to communicate with somebody, like to convey a message. And I was very nervous when whenever I have a presentation in school. So that was the most important, the most challenging thing that stopped me from having a channel. But later on, I've been thinking I shouldn't be worried about it, because language is just a tool. I'm not doing an exam. I'm just talk something, or just have some information posted in my log, so nobody gonna grade it. So so I'm thinking, so that's not gonna be a problem, even though a lot of the times I'm gonna be say something that programmatically wrong, but I believe a lot of people still got the message I'm trying to convey. So that was the first and challenging for me. That stopped me from having a channel. And another thing is the hardware. It's not I didn't have any video shooting or photograph a background. So I don't have a lot of knowledge on how to record audio and or video and properly. So over the years, I have purchased a lot of the equipment. I have this microphone, Shure SM7B. That's a decent microphone. I did my research. I found it on, it was recommended by a lot of the YouTubers and podcasters. I saw it on a lot of the channels, so I got this one. The problem was that when I got this microphone, I never got it to work properly, and it requires a lot of the research to actually set it up correctly. Not only the hardware, how to connect it to the audio interface, but how you gonna you have to understand some terminologies about the audio. What is the gain? What is an audio interface? And so how to connect them properly? What is XLR? It's not USB. And also what software need to be recorded. So all those ones are the issues that I had back then. But over the years, after I have done some research, I finally configured for it to work, at least not probably very professionally, but at least it is working. So that's good. And also for recording the video, right now we have a very important device in our hand. That's a phone. So I'm recording with the OBS, and I watched some video, and that's showing me how to set it up for recording. And also there's a plugin that I just downloaded, and there was an app, $15. I purchased it on my iPhone, and then I can use the iPhone's camera to record me. And also, since I have a small room and it's very messy, so I bought a green screen. It's very portable, and right behind me. That helps me to remove all the annoying or messy stuff, so that way later on it's not gonna be a distraction for the viewers. So that's good. So I guess since right now I have conquered my challenges, so I better probably start it like my channel. It's not only that helps me to my main goal is to have this channel to help me to practice my communication. So it doesn't matter what professional you are in, whether you are doing accounting or you are a teacher, and you are a coach, and you are a programmer, and communication is the key for you to succeed. So it is very important. But for me, I'm a very shy person. I got nervous whenever I speak in front of a lot of people. Not only that I'm shy, and also it's because I'm afraid that my language gonna be a problem whenever I'm trying to communicate or carry on a conversation. So, but I have to not worry about it. I have to practice it, so that way I can have this channel not only to motivate me to learn programming. I really like programming. That's really awesome. It just really, to me, it's like magic. All the zeros ones can do a lot of the amazing stuff. So I guess I'll just be using this channel to motivate me to learn program and also practice my poor English. So by the time when I have 100 videos posted, hopefully I can have a fundamental knowledge of programming, and also has improved my English. That's for today's video. My channel's name will be called Learner's Park. So yeah, if you like my video, and please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, so that way I'll make sure at least I'll start learning C programming. So I'll probably follow some YouTubers and that teaches C language, and watch all their videos, and after whenever I learn a concept, I'll just try to understand it. After I understand it, I'll make a video about the concept that I just learned. So it could be a algorithm or memory data structure or terminal, how to use the terminal. Yeah, that's all possible. So thank you for watching my video. I'll see you next time. Bye.